So today I'm going to be trying some of the Korean food that Korean people eat, and the first one is this. It's a peach gummy from Zero, and I'm going to try it, and I'm so nervous. Guys, I'm literally panicking. Oopsies. Oh my God. What's good? Now it's something else. I'll rate this a 10 out of 10 so far. Part 2.